Hi everybody, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to this video on Kalyan Jewelers update, grey market premium update and subscription status update. The issue dates 16th to 18th March, so today is the second day. Issue price rupees 86 to 87 rupees per share. The subscriptions are as follows. Institutions 0 times subscribed, HNIs 0.2 times subscribed, retail investors 1.1 times subscribed, total 0.6 times subscribed so far. Grey market premium as of now is around 7 to 8 rupees, which is around 8 to 9% above the issue price, so almost flat. What are the observations? Number one, the grey market premium is almost flat, 8 to 9% as of now. So it looks like investors are not very excited about this IPO, and that is why there is not much subscription even on day 1. Of course, day 2 and day 3 there could be more applications. Observation number 2, all three situations are possible for this IPO. That is positive listing, flat listing or even negative listing. Also, after listing, how it will trade, how it will move, whether it will go up or down is purely dependent on its fundamentals and overall market sentiment. Personally, we are not investing in this IPO because the grey market premium is very flat. We don't know what's going to happen. Kalyan Jewelers financials, I am repeating once again. 31st March 2018, total revenue 10,580 crores, profit after tax 141 crores. 2019 March 9814 crores total revenue, profit after tax, in fact it is a loss, minus 4.86 crores. 2020 March 10,181 crores total revenue, profit after tax 142 crores. 9 months ending 31st December 2020, 5,550 crores total revenue, profit after tax, again it's not a profit, it's a loss, 80 crores is a loss. So this was updated details about Kalyan Jewelers. Watch this video twice, watch our previous video on Kalyan Jewelers and then take a final decision whether to apply for this IPO or not. If this video was useful for you, type useful in the comment section. If the video was good, please press the like button and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.